Hey tech enthusiasts! Apple's latest iPad mini just dropped, and it's a game changer. Introducing the all-new iPad mini, powered by the blazing fast A17 Pro chip. This little powerhouse is not just about speed, it's smart too. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, your iPad mini understands context and delivers relevant info while keeping your privacy a top priority. Available in 4 stunning colors including a fresh blue and purple, the sleek design features a vibrant 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display. Creativity and productivity soar with support for the new Apple Pencil Pro. Need to capture the moment? The 12MP wide-back camera with smart HDR4 has you covered, delivering stunning photos and better dynamic range. Plus, it can detect and scan documents right in the camera app using machine learning. With all-day battery life, the innovative iPad OS 18, and starting at just $499 for 128 GB of storage, the new iPad mini is the ultimate portable package. Ready to upgrade? Dive into the future with Apple's latest marvel? That's all for now, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates.